To find the measure or the length of side A, we have to use either sine, cosine, or tangent. In this right triangle, we're given that the measure of angle A is 40 degrees. We know that the side adjacent to the angle, that's this side here, the adjacent side, is 170 centimeters. And then the opposite side, so here this is the opposite side to the angle, is the thing that we're trying to solve for. So we'd like to use either sine, cosine, or tangent. We want to choose the one that connects the angle to the opposite and the adjacent side. If you remember SOHCAHTOA, it'll help you decide which of the three you'd like to use. If you look at tangent, tangent is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So I'm going to use tangent to figure out what the length of side A is. I'll set it up like this. Tangent of A, which is 40 degrees, is equal to the opposite side, which I'll call A, divided by the adjacent side, which is given as 170 centimeters. So for this reason, in the definition of tangent, tangent of this angle is equal to this side divided by this side, which is why I put A here and 170 here. To solve for A, you'd like to get this by itself, but we're dividing by 170. I'm going to multiply 170 to the other side of the equation. So if I multiply this here, I have 170 times tangent of 40, really 40 degrees, is equal to A. This is the exact answer. It asks to round the answer to the nearest whole number as needed. I'm going to type this expression into my calculator. If you don't have a calculator, you can use Desmos. Just make sure that you are in degrees when you use a Desmos calculator. I'm going to type this in and let's see what we get. So let's see, 170 times tangent of 40. Okay, the number I get, it's 142 point, and then it goes on, 64 and so on. If I'm rounding to the nearest whole number, which is this 2, because this is a 6, I'll round this up to a 3. So it is 143. That's what goes here in place of this box. You also have to select the units that are going to go with it. Since we're given that this is in centimeters, well, this length is going to be in centimeters as well. So this is the answer for this problem.